My dear voters, we have arrived at a moment of great importance for each one of you, for all of us. It is also a precious moment for India. Let me share a few words. Elections are the most beautiful expression of India's democracy. Nothing like voting. ECI and lakhs of its officials have worked very hard over last 2 years to make your voting experience peaceful, comfortable and pleasant. Every polling station is on ground floor. They will have drinking water, washrooms, sheds, ramps, wheelchairs, help desks and volunteers to make you feel welcome. We will also deliver voter information slips at your residence. Please come to vote. Our request, our appeal, our persuasion. You will find our poll officials courteously waiting for you with a smile at polling stations. And voters who are 85 years or above or persons with disabilities can also opt to vote from the comfort of their homes. Friends, there is a talk about the summer heat. It is true. You and we should take all precautions. But I know the spirit of the Indian voter will beat the summer heat. In our great democracy, elections belong to you. The choice belongs to you. You are choosing your member of parliament. You are making the 18th Lok Sabha. You are deciding the government in the center and also in 4 states. You are doing it for your sake, for your family and children, for your village or town, and of course for the country. I am sure on your way to the polling stations and as you press the key of the voting machine, you will be conscious of this power and responsibility, both. India's track record of smooth, regular and high quality election owes to the people's judicious and enthusiastic participation. This time, the opportunity is yours to grab. Think about this. Everyone has the power of one vote under the Constitution. Father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi rightly observed, and I quote, "Understand democracy as something that gives the weak the same chance as the strong." Unquote. And never underestimate the power of your one vote. There are many instances when one vote has mattered in a critical contest. We will call these elections Chunav ka Parv, Desh ka Garv. We mean it. It is everyone's pride. We must keep our date with democracy. Friends, starting with tomorrow, I earnestly appeal to you to come out and vote. Get your family and friends to vote. Motivate everyone around you. Be our ambassadors and influencers. I call upon the youth to lead a revolution in electoral participation. Stand up, get counted, make yourself proud, go and vote. Thank you.